Hi guys, I welcome you to my channel. Today this question serialize and deserialize binary tree is very interesting question. What will we have given? You will have given a binary tree here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to serialize or you have to encode it, and later you can decode it, deserialize it. So how can you do that? Whenever we got a question to serialize and deserialize a binary tree, we have to do like we have to stringify them, or we have or number as well. When someone asks to deserialize and serialize binary number, you just convert them into the string. We can convert them into a string. So how can you do that? We will do pre-order traversal. For now we have three traversal order: pre-order, in order, and post order. In the pre-order, we do root left right, root left right. In order, left root right, and in the post order, root right left. That's what I understand. uh, Let me understand, I just forget every time. The three way traverse root, a specific order. In the pre-order, visit root, visit left, and visit right. Root left right, left root right, and in the post order, left right root. Okay, in the post order we do left, then right, then root. Okay, so we have to do in the pre-order traversal. So pre-order, how does it do? Root left, and again it will go to the left of the root, again left of the root, and then no right. So there is no left, it will go right of the root, and that's how you follow that root left right. So here I will writing a definition here. Definition, in order or pre-order traversal ka, we can write any order traversal, no worry, but make sure that when you are writing it, when you are deserializing it, you have to follow same structure to deserialize or decode it. So I am using pre-order. So we will it will accept to one thing only: self. Self is basically pointing to the class codec and the root. And what will it return? It will return a string. It will return a string. So let's serialize it. So if not root, right? If not root, what will it will return? It will return none. It, no, or just none. It will just return n. Why? I'll show you later why I've written like that. If there is no root, I'll return none. If there is a root, right, I'll try to get in that. Left is equal to pre-order root dot left. Right is equal to pre-order root dot right. I have left and right, and I have so we will have a new string. So what will you do? We will just create a string uh, s, and we will append it. So how to append? Convert that is character, convert that value into the string first. So root dot val, I have converted to the string. Root dot val into string, plus separate them by comma. Why? Because when you deserialize it, you need that. On what basis you are separating it, you need that, right? Then again left, so plus string of left, right, and plus again separate them by comma, and plus string of right, and return right, return s. Okay, so this is how we have to do pre-order traversal. Now we got the updated the string. So s is equal to self dot pre-order root. That's it. We will return it, return s. Okay, now deserialize it. Same thing we have to do. We have to do same thing. So what we'll do here, uh, I'll get the data. Data is basically in string format, separated by comma. So I will create an array, splitting that string into the splitting them, splitting a string using comma. So array will be the data dot split, and using comma. Now we will write a function that will deserialize this. So definition, and say in order, right, uh, deserialize, or decode, I will say, right, decode self comma root, and it will return what? It will return an tree node, right? It will return tree node. I am confused how we write it. It will return tree node. This is how we write, right? Optional. We can return none as well. Optional. Yeah, this is how we write here. If not root, return. Okay, here tree node is basically an array, so we will write an array, and we will have an index. Index is equal to 0. For now, why index? To make continuous increment in the list. So we have array. If index uh, greater than or equal to array dot length, or length of the array, if this is the case, I will return index, return what? Return none, right? And now I try to find the root, right? There is chance that root can be none as well. So let me find a root is equal to array of index. And if array of index is not equal to none, that is not value, then array of index, otherwise else none. You got a point, right? If array of index is not n value, then we will return array of index, otherwise we will return none. Okay, we got the root, so we have to check it. If not root, if root 2 is not defined, we will return none, otherwise we will create a root value. Root is equal to tree node of root dot val. Okay, or just tree node of root, and now root dot left will be the same, will decode and array, decode the array, and we have to increase the index as well. So self dot index plus equal to 1. We got the left. Now again we have to increase the self dot index. Why? Because each time we have to increase the index, right? Self dot index plus 1. And now we have root dot right. Okay, now we got the root, we got the left, and we will just return the root. Okay, so here we have, and I will call the function return the self dot decode array. Array, that's it, right? And that's it, nothing else. So let me check that if I'm doing correctly. So this is basically to appending the whole character or whole string into the whole value into the string. So root dot val is left and right. If there is no root, I will append the n. Why? Because it will help me to split the string. It will help me to give none if there is no string defined. Okay, so here now what will happen, the serialize here save the preorder we have written as. Now decode it, we have splitted the array, right? And now we'll decode self dot decode of array. So array will be the array, if index is greater than equal to length of the array, we will return none, otherwise array of index, if array of index not equal to none, otherwise none. If not root, I will return the none, otherwise what? I'll create a value with the root, and I'll increase the self index, and root dot left will be decode of the array, decode the array, and root dot right is also decode the array, and in the meantime I'll be increasing the index. That's it. Let me submit it. I hope I don't get error. Wow, still now get there. I think there is a different functional definition I am concerned. Okay, self dot pre-order, self dot pre-order, self dot decode also, self dot decode as well. Yeah, sorry, self dot index. So in the index I will use self dot index. Yeah, yeah, it is working now. Let me submit it. It is working now. Okay. So yeah, it's very easy question. We have to stringify, and we have to again parse it. So that's what we have to do. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll meet tomorrow, and until I will be doing again. And yesterday I had interview, but interview could not some, they said that the flight got delay, and I they could not attend the interview. So interview has been postponed to like Monday same time. So I you wish me that I'll get success in that interview. It's very important interview, and I'll be interviewing with the bigger startup. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will meet tomorrow. Bye.